Let us consider this triangle ABC, which is right angled at B. Now, right angled at B means B is equal to 90 degree. B is equal to 90 degree. Now, the sine of angle C. The sine of angle C. So, as I already mentioned, the side which is opposite to the right angle is called hypotenuse. And the angle of observation or consideration, the opposite side is given here. The side opposite to the angle under observation. And the adjacent is adjacent side. Okay. Now sine C means opposite by hypotenuse. Take down. Opposite by hypotenuse. And then so we have sine C here, angle C, sine of angle C, that is opposite by hypotenuse. So what is opposite side? AB is the opposite side and AC is the hypotenuse. AC is the hypotenuse. Are you able to follow? So simply we can write sine C. Instead of putting angle, it is understood when I put sine C, sine of angle of C. So sine C is nothing but AB by AC, right? But you must remember this formula, that is very, very important. Okay, sine of any angle is equal to, it is the ratio between opposite and hypotenuse. Next, cos C, that is cosine C, it is called cosine C. That is equal to, see the adjacent side is here, adjacent by hypotenuse. So adjacent by hypotenuse. And therefore, you have BC is the adjacent side divided by AC. Got it? BC by AC. Now you have tan C. What is tan C? Tangent of angle C. That is nothing but, so we have these two equations, two ratios, that is sin C and cos C. As I already mentioned, tan C is nothing but sin C divided by cos C. Got it? Okay. Therefore, now we can further proceed as sin C is nothing but opposite by hypotenuse. So you can write down opposite by hypotenuse. And what about cos C? That is adjacent by hypotenuse. Now we can reciprocate. Which one? The denominator. So opposite by hypotenuse, the denominator ratio is reciprocated as hypotenuse to adjacent. Now you can strike out this. Now we are able to get tan C as, what is that? Opposite by adjacent. So this is another important formula. Are you able to follow? Okay. Now in terms of AB, AC we can write down. How? Opposite side is nothing but AB. Adjacent side is nothing but BC. Therefore that is equal to AB by BC. Okay. Now we can proceed with the reciprocals of these functions. You should understand sin C, cos C, tan C, and its reciprocals are, that is cosecant C, which is nothing but reciprocal of sine C. Secant C, which is nothing but the reciprocal of cos C. Cot C is nothing but the reciprocal of tan C. So you should never forget this. Okay? And it can be anything. So you can call it theta also. So sin theta, cos theta, tan theta. Okay? Next. Let us consider this problem. Take down. Let us draw a right triangle. Now you can work out in your QB. So draw a right triangle, and it is a right triangle at B. So A, B, C. Given tan A, is equal to 4 by 3. Find the other ratios. Other ratios means what? So we have to find out sin A, cos A, tan A already given. Then cosecant A, secant A, cot A. So we have to find out all these based on the ratios given. See, whenever you are given any problem, you should be able to arrive at the appropriate formula or definition or tool. Okay, so for tan A, this is the angle of consideration, tan A. What is tan A? Tan A is opposite by adjacent, is it not? Which is the opposite side? This is always label it. So this is the angle under observation. So the side which is opposite to the angle A is opposite. And the side which is opposite to the right angle is called hypotenuse, and that is always bigger. And the side which is nearby is called adjacent. So first label it. Now then proceed. So then tan A is nothing but BC by AB, is it not? BC by AB. Tan A is equal to BC by AB. Okay, so remember this. And it is given as 4 by 3. Tan A is 4 by 3. It is given. So you can replace 4 by 3. So in that case, BC by AB. So you cannot say immediately BC is equal to 4, AB is equal to 3, because it's only a ratio. It is proportional to some other constant. So you can take this as some proportionate. You can take some constant like 4k, and similarly 3k. Okay, so let us put what is BC. BC is 4k. And what about AB? AB is 3k. Now what you can do? You can apply the Pythagoras theorem. For right triangle, we can apply the Pythagoras theorem. What is Pythagoras theorem for right angle? Tell me. Anyone?
AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square.
So don't say like that, because it may change, is it not? You are correct. But hypotenuse squared is equal to opposite square plus adjacent square. That will be more appropriate, because it is applicable to any triangle. So in that case, as you said, AC squared is equal to BC squared plus AB squared. So write down. So according to Pythagoras theorem. The hypotenuse squared is equal to opposite squared plus adjacent squared. So what is the hypotenuse squared? That is AC. AC squared. And opposite is BC. So BC squared plus AB squared. AB squared. Now what is AC here? AC is 4K, is it not? So you can put 4K, I'm sorry, AC, AB. AB is, so we had to find out AC squared. So BC is, here BC is 4K whole squared. What about AB? 3K. 3K whole squared. So 16K squared plus 9K squared. So K squared being common, that can be taken outside the bracket. So 16 plus 9, that is 25K squared. That is AC squared. Taking square root on both sides, now you get AC is equal to 5K. So we have found out the hypotenuse as 5K. Okay, so now we know all these ratios. Based on that we can easily work out, and I have already given the formula. Okay, now let us proceed. Let us have the sine C. Sine C is equal to opposite by what? Hypotenuse. Now what is the value of opposite side here? The opposite side is 4. So we can put 4K divided by, and what about the hypotenuse? 5K, is it not? You can put 5K. So K can be cancelled. Now you can declare this as 4 by 5. Similarly, cos C. Cos C is adjacent by hypotenuse. So that is equal to what? That is adjacent is 3K. So 3K by 5K. So K can be cancelled. Now 3 by 5. Okay. And similarly, tan already given. So tan we have got already as 4 by 3. Okay, that is 4 by 3. And what about the reciprocal of sine C is cosecant C. So that is equal to, you can simply put 5 by 4 because 1 by sine C, that is 5 by 4. And similarly, secant C, that is equal to 1 by cos C, that is 5 by 3. And tan C, which is nothing but cot C, 1 by tan C, that is equal to what? That is 3 by 4. Okay. Now we have found out all the ratios. Clear? Okay. So you can list out all these values as answer. So this is the first answer, second answer, third answer, because it is already given. So third answer, this is fourth answer, this is fifth answer. Got it? Okay.